Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to talk about our story, Thunder Cake. And we are going to discuss the sequence of events. That means the order in which the events or the important things in the story happen. So we always have a beginning, a middle, and an end to a story. And we will look at all three of them and look a little closer at the sequence of events. So, in the beginning, it takes us from pages 226 to 233. I wonder if you can piece these answers together or if you can remember them from your reading. So, go ahead and pause before I can give any answers. And I want you to think about these answers before I can say them. Okay. So, in the beginning of our story here, also one other thing is you can get your reading anthology out and you can actually look for clues in your story, and here are the page numbers that will help to guide you. Okay, so at the beginning of our story, it takes place in the house. In the beginning, Grandma decides to bake a what? That's correct. She decides to bake a thunder cake. Whoops. Thunder cake. Period. She teaches her grandchild to start counting when she sees what? Lightning. Very good. Lightning. And to stop when she what? Hears thunder. Very good. I apologize if my writing isn't fantastic. Okay, what can you see here? Can you see the bottom there? All right. So, in the middle of our story, takes us to pages 234 and 243. The middle of the story takes place on the farm. Grandma and grandchild collect fresh what from mean old blank. First, they get fresh eggs from mean old Nellie Peck hen. Again, I apologize for this writing. Nellie Peck hen. And then she gets fresh blank from mean old who? After the eggs, she gets, very good, fresh milk from mean old kick cow. After they get the milk, then they get a sack of what from the dark and scary blink. That's correct. They get a sack of flour from the dark and scary dry shed. And 3 what's from high up on the blank. And 3 tomatoes from high up on the trellis. I don't know if you can see the end of our story here. But there, at the end of our story, you can find clues on pages 244 to 253. And it takes place back in the warm kitchen. Grandma and her grandchild, what do they do first? They mix ingredients. They churn butter. And they do what? They bake the cake. Whew. I'm going to make this longer here. Hope you can read that okay. My writing isn't the greatest right now. Okay, so have fun with this. You should have a worksheet just like this that discusses the sequence of events, and I will talk to you soon.